Hi, sir. How are you? I'm good.
Okay.
How are you, sir?
I'm pretty good, but Bernard.
Hikmatullah.
All right, I got to go and
Okay.
pick up my sister for a minute. So, let me show you what I got.
Yes. Yeah, show me, please.
This is the pole that broke because I had too many clothes on. So it broke.
Oh my goodness. Do you have brand new?
Huh?
You don't have brand new?
What?
Same pieces?
No, I don't have no brand new.
Okay.
I got this in. This is it here. From there to here. This some that's sold to the
Oh, got you. Oh,
replace that pole, I guess.
okay. So I have, yeah. I have.
Huh?
I have this wood.
You did?
Yeah, I do.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
And you replace that?
Of course.
Okay. How much something like that cost me?
How much you gonna pay?
How much did you charge me?
So what about the paint?
You don't have to paint.
Yourself?
No, I'll paint myself.
Sounds good. So
Just put up.
yeah, no problem. Give me price. How much you gonna pay?
What you think is good?
Mm,
Give me a good price. You got it?
yeah, I give good price
Okay.
because I like to be fair, you know.
Okay. Tell me. I
Yeah.
never had this done before, so I don't
Yeah,
know.
because you first my customer
Okay.
today. Please give how much you have budget for that job. All right.
100, 150?
150 is works for me.
Huh?
Yeah,
Okay.
got you.
Okay.
$150. Okay,
Okay.
I'll replace. Okay, I'll start right now.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
May I take a video for my social media
Yeah,
manager?
go ahead.
Thank
Take
you
a
so
video.
much. Yeah, appreciate you.
Okay.
Really. Thank you. Xullas do'stlar, mana shuni olib tashlab o'rniga yasab qo'yishim kerak. O'zim bo'yab olaman dedi. Bo'yash o'zim ishim dedi. Ona qilib qotirib berishim kerak bu tomoniga.
Hey,
Chiqib ketgan ekan.
use the front door because I've got some. I have to go somewhere for 5-10 minutes.
Okay.
I'll be right back. In 10
Okay.
minutes. Use the front door,
Mhm.
and I'll be back in about 10 minutes.
Okay. Do'stlar, ekani kesilgan apparatlarni tushirib oldim. Xullas, yo'ldan bor qilamiz. Hozir mana tayyor taxta bor ekan mashinada. Razmeri ham bir xil edi. Shuni kesib, mana shuni qilib, chiroyli qilib xotirib beraman-da. Videoni kuzatib turaveringlar-chi. Do'stlar, ko'ringlar-chi, qalay chiqibdi. Yaxshimi bo'ladimi, o'xshabdimi? Gap yo'q. Birga bir bu. Gap yo'q. Ular shuni tirs maqotadigan pistoletimda shunday ushlatib qo'ysam, kley bilan mashina bo'ladi. Mana ko'ringlar-chi do'stlar, 6 ta qurdim. Orqasida kley surkab, mahkamlab qo'ydim mana yog'ochni devorga. Keyin uni zamaskalarni yoqib qo'ydim. Ko'ringlar-chi. Qalay chiqdi, yaxshimi? Bunga e'tibor bermaysizlar. Chunki u tomoni yaxshi keldi. Bir xil ekan mana breketi. Mana chiroyli qilib xotirib berdim. Zamaskalarni qilib qo'ydim. Bo'yashda o'zim bo'yayman degan. Mana. Excuse me. Excuse me. Yo, work is all done. Ha. Mana eskisi do'stlar. Qiyshayib ketgan ekan.
All right. Looks good.
Yes.
Okay.
Strong.
Yeah. Yeah, that's good. Okay. That's good. Okay.
It's good.
Here's
Okay.
$1 change.
No need to this one.
Yeah, but I got no more singles, so
Okay.
so this is the $24, $25 for the
Okay.
thing, and then it's just the $150 for the.
Yeah, thank you.
You great? You straight?
Yeah.
Appreciate it. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
You too.
I appreciate it.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, bye sir.
Bye-bye.
Take care.
Thank you.
Xudoga shukr, mana bu ishni ham tugatib oldim do'stlar. Do'stlar, mayli sog' bo'linglar. Keyingi videolarda ko'rishguncha salomat bo'linglar do'stlar. Rahmat hammaga, podдержка uchun.